Meanwhile, Senate Republican leaders unveiled a retooled version of their health care bill today, but the changes seem unlikely to win over GOP holdouts. Democrats are calling the version just as bad as the first, while President Trump is pushing Congress to get a bill repealing and replacing Obamacare on his desk quickly.
Madam President.
Senators are getting a look at Majority Leader Mitch McConnell's latest plan to repeal and replace Obamacare.
The revised draft improves on the previous version in a number of ways, all while retaining the fundamental goals of providing stability and improving affordability.
The draft adds billions of dollars in opioid funding and puts more money into tax credits to help low-income Americans pay for coverage. But moderate Republican Susan Collins, who calls the cuts to Medicaid devastating, says that's not enough to win her vote. For conservatives, the bill has been tweaked to include Senator Ted Cruz's proposal to allow insurers to sell skimpier policies, something Democrats are honing in on.
One word which I think applies is junk. What we don't want is junk insurance.
This new version of the bill leaves in place some of the Obamacare taxes on the wealthy, and at least one conservative says that makes it even worse than the first version.
We were elected on a message of repeal, and this bill doesn't repeal Obamacare.
Protesters gathered outside Senate offices today. Sarah Loeffler came to Capitol Hill to tell lawmakers to please vote no.
It's hard to expect people to be able to be as productive as they could be when they don't have basic health care.
McConnell will need to win the support of almost every Republican senator to get the bill passed by next week. Senators will see a score on this bill from the nonpartisan Congressional Budget Office early next week. The first version of the bill showed 22 million more Americans would lose insurance coverage by the year 2026.